Turbo Air MST-48 food prep table includes 12 6th-size 4-inch deep condiment pans that are positioned along the top of the unit in 2 rows of 6. These pans are covered by an insulated hood, which helps maintain food-safe temperatures and improves energy efficiency. The pans are set into a cold air compartment that is separated from the lower reach-in compartment, preventing spills onto products held below and improving temperature stability. The cutting board is 9.5 inches deep and 1/2 inch thick, providing a durable and sturdy food preparation surface. The refrigerated reach-in base is accessed via 2 solid swing-out doors. Each section comes with a heavy-duty PVC-coated wire shelf that can be adjusted as needed, and the stainless steel floor is durable and easy to clean. The cabinet and doors are insulated with a high-density polyurethane insulation that is foamed in place, adding to the unit's structural stability. This model uses a hot gas condensate system, which prevents condensate water overflow and is specially treated to ensure no corrosion occurs. The 3rd horsepower compressor holds temperature between 33 and 39 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal food preservation. To help limit the maintenance required, this model features Turbo Air's self-cleaning condenser, which uses a mesh filter and rotating brush to prevent the accumulation of dust on the coils. This food prep table is constructed with a stainless steel front and sides and a galvanized steel back, top, and bottom, providing a durable exterior for use in a busy commercial environment. 4-inch casters are included to make the table easy to move for cleaning. For more information about Turbo Air food prep tables or to place an order, visit KaTom.com or call 1-800-541-8683 to speak with one of our helpful customer care representatives.